3D.cnc. This is part 4 of this series where I jump into Fusion 360 and show you some basic features so you can get started as a beginner. Now we've checked the sketches, create 3D models, and also how to modify them, and we've got this right here. This assemble section, I don't use that any at all actually, so I won't even show you because I don't even know what all of these features are. But if you just make models for 3D printing, you don't really need them that much at all. Then on the construct tab right here, there are actually some useful features, especially here at the top. So when you create a sketch, you have these different faces and planes to select right here. So you can click on the model or on these planes right here. But if you want to make something somewhere else or at an angle, you can actually go to this construct and create another plane which you can click. So if you click on this plane at an angle, you can select maybe this one, and then you can see you can turn and select how many degrees. So if we create a plane right here, we can do exactly the same thing and create a normal sketch on that, which we can extrude things on. And to get this to connect to this model you see here, we'll have to go to drag it into right here. You see, first it sets it to cut, and you see that by the red color, so we need to change this. It does that every time, but it's good because you can see when it does it when it turns red. So if we click on join, just like that, we've made something at an angle on this model, just like that. And this offset, you just move it straight out, and there are different ways to make different planes like here, so that's quite cool. Then we'll take the inspect section now as well. There are two features right here which I use mostly, and this is the measure one. So as you can see, you don't see the measurements, but it's really easy to see how long something is. So if you just select like this line and this line, it will pop up how long that line is if you gone to the measure right there. So then you can see if you've done everything right, and that's a lot easier than other modeling programs as well. Another feature that can be really useful, but I don't use it that much, is this section analytics. Then you can actually see inside the model, and there's no other way you can do that. So if you drag this inside and hit OK, you can actually see where we cut the model right here, and you can turn that on and off on this analytics section up here. Then we can see right here, you can insert pictures if you want to have to see and build like over and see how it goes, and also insert like STLs and things like that to modify, but that's a complete different thing, so we won't cover that now. But now we've checked all of the functions, and that's it for this video. And in the next one, which is the last one, we'll actually export the file and take it into the slicer, and that's super simple as well. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.